Hello everyone, in this chapter we are going to discuss about the next topic, one of the most expected and important topic in MBA Act, that is control of transport vehicles. In this subtopic is permits. Okay, traffic vehicles, how we are going to be responding, how we are going to be controlling the traffic based on a condition that a transport vehicle must have permit and it should not be allowed on the road if it does not have the permit. So what is a permit, and what is the validity for the permit, what is the renewal, what is the grace period, after that what are the different kinds of permits which are issued for different kinds of types of vehicles, and finally what is the offense if you don't have the permit and using the transport vehicle on the road. Okay, this is very important topic. Why this is important? Because this is directly related to the buses, okay, taxis, vehicles. So this topic is, remember, this is directly linked with okay, buses, okay, taxis, vehicles, okay, vehicles in the sense transport vehicles or goods vehicles, we can say goods vehicles, autos, national and tourist permits. Remember that this is very simple section. This is very simple section, and which is going to get you easy marks. Very small topic. Okay, if question appears 1 or 2, yes, you should be ready for this kind of question and very easy to memorize. What are they? Let's see. The first concept is regarding the permit. Okay, you have to remember must. Okay, must remember. What is that? Permit is compulsory. Permit is compulsory under what section? Section number 66. Remember that, guys. Okay, very important and very easy to memorize. 66 is must permit. Okay, 66 is must permit. Permit, no person shall be allowed, or no transport vehicle shall be allowed to use without a permit. Okay, it applies to this statement is applies to all the which vehicles, usually buses, trucks, taxis, because all are transport. Buses, trucks, okay, you can say taxis, autos, commercial good vehicles. In certain case it is exempted to. Under what case it is exempted? This is very important and expected question in the examination. Okay, very important and expected question in the exam. What is that? Permit is going to be exempted under what situation? Permit is not required. Permit is not required under two cases. Case number 1, it should be a goods vehicle. Whose GVW. What is GVW? Gross weight vehicle. Gross vehicle weight should be lesser than 3000. Gross vehicle weight should be lesser than 3000 kgs. Remember, this is already we discussed in the chapter number 1 when we are discussing about the definitions. 3000 kg, 12,000 kg light motor vehicle, okay, heavy motor vehicle, heavy transport, heavy goods vehicle 12,000 kg, and light motor vehicle 3000 kg. We discussed about that. Okay, apart from the goods vehicle, one more is there, that is non-transport vehicle. Non-transport is, that is private vehicle, right? Non-transport means private vehicle. So under this case also, okay, permit is not required. Okay, permit is not required. This cross marks means it does not require. Permit is not required. Whereas in which case it is going to be required compulsory under what section? Section number 66. Remember this section. Okay, go through it once. After that, the most important question that you can expect in the examination is types of permits based on the different types of classes of vehicles. Okay, types of permits. Let me write it here. One of the most expected and repeatedly asked questions from the VI, AMVI, motor vehicle inspector. Okay, that is types of permits. Most asked, most expected. Okay, that is types of permits. Types of permits. So let's say in the first section I'll write permit type. In the next one we'll remember the sections. Okay. So now the question is, what is the first type? That is stage carriage. In the chapter number 1 we discussed about the stage carriage, right? That is stage carriage is something which is bus and going to have separate fares. Stage carriage is none other than what? Buses, and they will be having separate fares. Having separate fares. Expected question in the exam. Okay. Similarly to the stage carrier, the next one that we have after the stage carrier, that is contract carriage. Contract carriage. Contract carriage is which is going to be hired as a whole. Hired as a whole. Hired as whole. For example, taxi. Okay, taxi is called as contract carriage. After the contract carriage, then we have goods carriage, which will be responsible for taking goods. Okay. Then we have tourist permit. Tourist permit, or we can say national permit. Okay, both are having in the same section. National permit. Okay, so the stage carriage is going to be having considered in which section? Starting from the after 66, right? Common sense.